Finally done with finals. Time to play some Mind. Who could be knocking at my door at this current hour? Especially during a thunderstorm. Well, it looks like I got a package today, but could it be that important that it interrupts my video? Well, today is my lucky day. Moving on. PC case. I would be saying that if it was a moving on video. It's still a PC case, nonetheless. I'll explain later. This video is not sponsored by NZXT. Even though they actually did send me the free PC case that I won from a giveaway. So it's free. Again, not sponsored. This is the NZXT H9 Elite Black Edition. Mostly because my setup over here. Black chair, black desk, black keyboard, black mouse, black headphones, another black keyboard, a black TV, a black monitor, a black webcam, a black mic, black speakers, black mouse pad, and what am I forgetting? A black PC! This video is going to sound really bad out of context. And the only thing white around here is this lamp! And paper. So yeah, basically, free PC case sent by NZXT. Also, it almost took a month to ship because it was out of stock for some reason. I guess it was popular, I don't know, but... So, I waited. I even refreshed the website every time. Every day. And I waited until it restocked. Thank you, NZXT. They're actually really nice about it. Anyways, the best part. It's unboxing time! Trusty scissors that is half broken. Open. Huh, I kinda expected another box inside another box and not this cardboard. I don't know. This reminds me of my PC opening. How do I? Oh no. How do I take this out? Oh my, I'm not physically fit for this. Please! This package is too secure. Upside down. Come on. Wow, this is loose. Why is that loose? What the? Get out! Why am I struggling so badly? Open. It can't be that hard. You're supposed to flip it the other way. Well, let's do that. No. Okay, I can't take that out. Great. Alright, time to get this final wrap off. Is it stuck? No one saw anything. And here's the case. in mint condition. It's a pretty nice case when you look at it from this side. Has that fish tank look to it. Ooh, airflow. Very nice. I didn't know that the back part was entirely airflow. This is the back side. Is that my serial number? I don't know. See? Oh yeah, pre-installed fans. One here. The other three somewhere there. There's some weird cardboard paper here. I don't know. I think that's for protecting that corner right there. Setting this to the side. Here we go. We got a, I believe, the RGB controller. That's mine. We have the bottom for fans. We have 3 RGB fans pre-installed. Very nice if it could turn on. Cable management back here. The exhaust fan. Very nice. Taking the back off, we have... Honestly, I should just force it out. I'm struggling. Okay. That's there. Cable management area. I believe we can put some drives in this spot. If I could pull this out. Oh, wait. I guess I'm not pulling this out. I would assume you put more drives here. Access to the fans here. That's probably why this whole thing is cut out. Yeah. Is that dust filter? I think that is. Nice. More cables. And that's basically it. Just found the instructions lying around. Would have been nice if I read this first. And that's it for this PC case unboxing. Not the best unboxing, but it's my unboxing. There's better ones out there. Thank you NZXT again for the free PC case that I won from a giveaway. Very proud of that. Now there is only one slight issue. I don't have PC parts for this. And I don't have a job yet. I'm still in school. So until then, this case will be used for one good purpose in mind. Oh yeah! Playing Clash of Clans on this PC case is amazing! Thank you, NZXT. Thank you.